Respected audience, judges, and dear friends, good morning. I want to begin my speech by congratulating you all on being able to celebrate our Defense Day. I congratulate you because you now have the freedom to do anything like celebrating our Defense Day. But who should we be thankful for? We must thank our martyrs because it is all possible due to the sacrifices of our troops on 6 September. Had our troops not led lives for us, our condition would have been just like occupied Kashmir. जंगलों के मुसाफिर हैं, कौसारों के राही हैं. जंगलों के मुसाफिर हैं, कौसारों के राही हैं. ये फौजे मोहम्मदी के जानेबाज सिपाही हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the history of Defense Day first. In 1960s, India was showing aggression. India wanted to change Kashmir's status and denied all the UN resolution on Kashmir. Fighting in Kashmir was become a regular thing for India. In those days, Pakistan was fully supported resistance by Kashmiris. The act of Pakistan Army for freedom of Kashmir was so energetic. Pak Army was its lost hope after Allah Almighty. हम हक पर जान लुटा देंगे, हम शौक़े शहादत वाले हैं. हम हक पर जान लुटा देंगे, हम शौक़े शहादत वाले हैं. वो साथ हमारा तर्क कर दें जो मौत से डरने वाले हैं. Then this small scale war led to be something bigger. On 6 September, India attacked Pakistan at 3 a.m., hoping that it was a surprise for us. But reality, our defense surprised them. Our soldiers defend our country in such way that we now observe Pakistan Defense Day every year on 6 September. India did not know that. अजीब माँ है मेरे कबीले की, अजीब माँ है मेरे कबीले की, अपने बेटे से कह रही है कसम उठाओ, वतन की मिट्टी ने अगर जान मांगी तो जान दोगे. This is more glory. On 7 September, a single Pakistani Air Force pilot, MM Alam, shot down 5 Indian aircrafts. It is still a Guinness World Record. MM Alam was flying F-86 and destroyed both Indian planes and wished to conquer Pakistan. कभी चाहो तो आजमा लेना हमें, कभी चाहो तो आजमा लेना हमें, हम सर का सौदा कर लेंगे वतन का नहीं. Dear friends, our martyrs and ghazis wrote the golden chapter in our history book with their bravery and blood. The motto of our soldiers is stay low, go fast, kill first, die last. One shot, one kill. No luck, all skills. Dear audience, we can never fully thank them with our words or gestures. All we can do respect our army, acknowledge their achievements and keep pondering over our past so that we can become good citizens of a free country. In the last, I would like to pray for my country. So please stay with me. खुदा करे न कभी हम सरे वकारे वतन हो, खुदा करे न कभी हम सरे वकारे वतन हो और इसके हुस्न को तशवीशे माहौसाल न हो. हर एक खुद हो तहजीब व फन का ओज कमाल, हर एक खुद हो तहजीब व फन का ओज कमाल. कोई मलूल न हो, कोई खस्ता हाल न हो. आमीन.